节节节
Measure word for classes. Joint. Day.
Measure word for classes. Joint. Day.
今天连续上了3节课，让我学到了很多新知识。今天连续上了3节课，让我学到了很多新知识。今天连续上了3节课，让我学到了很多新知识。
I took 3 classes in a row today and learned a lot of new knowledge.
I took 3 classes in a row today and learned a lot of new knowledge.
他的关节受伤了。他的关节受伤了。他的关节受伤了。
His joints hurt.
His joints hurt.
今天是父亲节。今天是父亲节。今天是父亲节。
Today is Father's Day.
Today is Father's Day.
详细。详细。详细。
Detailed.
Detailed.
他将事情的经过写得很详细。他将事情的经过写得很详细。他将事情的经过写得很详细。
He wrote what happened in detail.
He wrote what happened in detail.
他把笔记整理得很详细。他把笔记整理得很详细。他把笔记整理得很详细。
He organized his notes in detail.
He organized his notes in detail.
这些产品在公司网站上都有详细的介绍。这些产品在公司网站上都有详细的介绍。这些产品在公司网站上都有详细的介绍。
These products are described in detail on the company's website.
These products are described in detail on the company's website.
解释。解释。解释。
Explain.
Explain.
这部分我不太明白，你能解释一下吗？这部分我不太明白，你能解释一下吗？这部分我不太明白，你能解释一下吗？
I don't quite understand this part. Can you explain it?
I don't quite understand this part. Can you explain it?
他把问题解释得很清楚。他把问题解释得很清楚。他把问题解释得很清楚。
She explained the problem very clearly.
She explained the problem very clearly.
听了他的解释，我终于明白了。听了他的解释，我终于明白了。听了他的解释，我终于明白了。
After listening to her explanation, I finally understood.
After listening to her explanation, I finally understood.
对于。对于。对于。
With regards to.
With regards to.
对于工作很忙的人来说，时间永远不够用。对于工作很忙的人来说，时间永远不够用。对于工作很忙的人来说，时间永远不够用。
For people who are very busy at work, there is never enough time.
For people who are very busy at work, there is never enough time.
对于公司来说，利润是最重要的。对于公司来说，利润是最重要的。对于公司来说，利润是最重要的。
For a company, profit is the most important thing.
For a company, profit is the most important thing.
每个人对于什么是幸福都有不同的理解。每个人对于什么是幸福都有不同的理解。每个人对于什么是幸福都有不同的理解。
Everyone has a different understanding of what happiness is.
Everyone has a different understanding of what happiness is.
叶子，叶子，叶子。
Leaf.
Leaf.
春天到了，植物开始开花，然后才长出新叶子。春天到了，植物开始开花，然后才长出新叶子。春天到了，植物开始开花，然后才长出新叶子。
Spring is here and the plants begin to bloom and then grow new leaves.
Spring is here and the plants begin to bloom and then grow new leaves.
多肉植物的叶子厚厚的，绿绿的。多肉植物的叶子厚厚的，绿绿的。多肉植物的叶子厚厚的，绿绿的。
The leaves of succulents are thick and green.
The leaves of succulents are thick and green.
为了维持生长，树木需要在春天落叶，并且长出新叶子。为了维持生长，树木需要在春天落叶，并且长出新叶子。为了维持生长，树木需要在春天落叶，并且长出新叶子。
To maintain growth, trees need to lose their leaves in the spring and grow new leaves.
To maintain growth, trees need to lose their leaves in the spring and grow new leaves.
教育，教育，教育。
Educate.
Educate.
他只受过小学教育。他只受过小学教育。他只受过小学教育。
He only had a primary school education.
He only had a primary school education.
教育孩子要使用积极鼓励的方法。教育孩子要使用积极鼓励的方法。教育孩子要使用积极鼓励的方法。
Educate children using positive encouragement methods.
Educate children using positive encouragement methods.
在教育孩子时，不要用懒、笨等词语来批评他们。在教育孩子时，不要用懒、笨等词语来批评他们。在教育孩子时，不要用懒、笨等词语来批评他们。
When educating children, do not use words such as lazy and stupid to criticize them.
When educating children, do not use words such as lazy and stupid to criticize them.
谢谢观看。